All right, so we got it loaded up and ready to go. I ended up squeezing 15 heads in there, or cloves, or whatever they're called. So that's a lot. There is a lot of black garlic that's going to be made. And all you do is drop it down the chute. Button down the hatch. Oh, you know what? It looks like I started it because it says it's on 287. I'm going to turn it off. Oh, I guess I'm not going to turn it off. We're just going to leave it there. And you know what? I'm going to answer that. So we will talk to you soon. Okay, so our garlic has finally finished after 288 hours. And I am going to show you what it looks like. Yeah, see, it resets to 288 hours. But let's open it up. This is pretty cool. Seems like it takes forever. But the smell is amazing. And this is what they look like. It's a little warm, but that's it. You can see how many are there. I will peel one and show you what they look like in a minute. Alright, let's take a look at this black garlic. So I'm doing a little research, and if you do a quick search on benefits of black garlic, you are going to find numerous things here. So many things. It's an antioxidant, can kill cancer, may treat leukemia, helps with stomach cancer, colon cancer, endometriosis. It'll benefit the heart. They say it helps lower your blood pressure. It increases the HDL cholesterol levels. It's a strong antioxidant, which we probably figured that, right? Can reduce inflammation. I mean, look at this. All this with this black garlic, I mean, can help lower severities to allergies, may reduce liver damage, help reduce obesity. What? That's crazy. Side effects, no known side effects. Says a toxic dose of garlic is 1,000 grams. Oh my gosh, that would be crazy. So there you go. This is a truly amazing, not vegetable, not fruit. What is garlic? I don't know. But look at how crazy this is. This is one that just came out. I let it sit for a day. They say when you pull it out of here, let it sit for another week. But it is ready to go now. I mean, look at these cloves. There are some cloves, and you just peel them, just like the regular garlic. Ooh, this is a huge one. Oh no, there's a couple here. So that's it. That's the black gold right there. And it is like oily, so check it out. That's the magic right there. And it does get on your fingers, so just be careful. But look at how beautiful. It's mushy, it's kind of spongy, and it smells. I can't describe the smell. It's I really can't describe the smell. It is very unique. It's almost like a licorice. And see, you get it all over. I think it's delicious. It's kind of sweet. Does not taste anything like garlic. It's almost caramelized. So we'll eat a few of these a day. Starting to put it into scrambled eggs. I think a pizza would be awesome. A veggie pizza with this would be really good. Like I said, the taste is very unique. See that? So just be careful. It'll come out of your clothes. I already know that because I've gotten it all over. But yeah, there you go. Black garlic. Give it a try. I got this on Amazon. I think they're like $100. I ended up going and getting a used one, but it wasn't used. It was brand new in the package for like $60. There's other ways to do it. You're basically fermenting garlic. So that tells me that it's going to be a certain temperature for quite a while with a certain humidity that has it turn into this, which is utterly amazing. So there you go. There's my review. Black garlic. Get it into your diet. It is amazing. And if all that is a wives' tale, you know, it doesn't really do all what I just said, then it tastes great anyway. It does have a unique taste, but I think I would be making it and eating it anyway because, you know, garlic is good for you. So there you go. Thank you. Like and subscribe, and we'll be doing more of these. See you soon.